guys, 4:40 in the morning. We're already at the spot. We're not taking the boat to the thumb, but we'll do that this afternoon. We're gonna go back where we saw that crippled looking deer and get settled. Hopefully these hunters will come in later and bump them towards us. December 22nd. Stay tuned, guys. Thanks. 5:40 in the morning. We made it to our spot. I heard one shot go off at like 5 o'clock for whatever reason, or it was a blowed tire on the highway. I couldn't tell. I know I'm talking low, but I got a scrape like right over here, not far. I can hear stuff moving around me. Not sure what it is though. About to get set up. Keep it up, guys. Hopefully today's the day we seal the deal. Peace. Well, there she is. Ain't much to look at, but old 14-foot Johnny on the old Swanee. We'll head down to the thumb. Gonna head down to the thumb this morning. This morning's hunt. I saw 9 deer, 1 little spike. The rest were does, I believe. If they might have been buttons, but they weren't legal. So it was very cold. Shivered my butt off. We're gonna give this evening a hunt. I was gonna come here this morning, but I didn't want to put in the water this morning. I ain't been down there in a long time, so I don't know the conditions over there. So I would hate to get into those conditions in the dark, especially freezing cold. So here we go, guys. Hunt number 2. Public over there too. I've never hunted that section, but I need to. There's some big old turtles. There's some big old gators out here too, let me tell you. Oh no, there's a tree down across. We're gonna have to paddle in now, boys. Well, here we are sliding in. The water's way lower than it used to be. Good thing about this is we can use that little secondary bank right there. Creep on in there and try to stay low along this little slough. And see if we can make something of it. Alright, here we are. We got the boat in underneath the tree, secured with that log so it don't rock and make noise, but acorns are falling in it, so all that effort just to let it drum away. But my wind is going in the direction we're looking at, which is should be like kind of west. What time is it? Yes, so it'll be heading west, kind of. So west is that way. We're looking east, northeast. We'll follow this bank here. I'm already seeing tracks down the edge right here. A little trail. So I'm all packed up. We're gonna go hit this edge. Look over the tops. See if we can see anything. Stick with it. Here's a little bit of tidbit of information for you non-Floridian hunters. But well, it's probably known in the hunting world, but if you don't know and you're ever walking through the woods, deep swamp or back country or something, and you see this, you're probably heading in the right direction. We're out here. Just went through some net. Back that way. Gets pretty mushy. It's not as bad as it was when I came in here after the hurricane, but there's some soft spots, but luckily nothing's been too deep. Here we go. Well, here we are, fellas. We done got us a place to sit. We got intersecting trails 50 yards from me, Licking Branch. Looks like it's been used pretty often. I'm in some pretty thick. Can't see too far out in front of me. We got a trail that comes here and it hooks around, and it goes right in here. That tree right here is like where the Licking Branch is. These two trees here have been rubbed up real good. I got an old rub right here too. And we got that clearing right out there. That clearing is let's see here. Whoa. Yeah, they got that clearing out there. We got that clearing. Looks like the trail comes in this way. A trail comes from this way, from that old log, comes in like this, goes whoosh, whoosh. So we got trails all intersecting that look fresh. And that tree right there, the big one, that's where the Licking Branch is. Right there. But anyway, here we go. We back at it. Sun's going down. We got about an hour before sunset, then 30 minutes after that. So it's time to hunker down. Well, guys, that's all became of that.